So I've been in the clinical research industry for, over 20 years.
2 decades.
25 years.
10 years.
28 years.
20 years.
25 years.
Having seen all kinds of vaccine research as a sponsor, I understood what it takes to bring a vaccine to the world. It all really boils down to human volunteers.
I wanted to do whatever small part I could do to try and, find a way to bring an end to the pandemic. Being in clinical research, the opportunity to kind of give back to this field that's done so much for me. You don't really know what it's like to be a participant until you've been in those shoes.
Interacting with members of the public, I encountered a gentleman who told me he wouldn't take the coronavirus vaccine unless he could see other Black people working on it or associated with it. What better way to lead by example, but also to help bring some transparency to the process than to participate myself?
I'm a pharmacologist by training. And so scientifically, I was really interested in trying to solve this problem and how we were going to create a new platform of medicines based on this mRNA technologies.
I've never seen this level of collaboration between, private and government and just even across different companies who are competitors to come together and to try and make this happen.
We're comparing notes. We're putting ourselves in the patient's shoes more squarely.
I think what we're doing is we're putting hope on the line when we choose to participate in trials. It's no different than our friends or family who have gone through clinical trials for cancer.
Every medicine that has ever come to the world has become a reality because people volunteer. And if we want medicine and medical innovations to come faster, it's going to rely on the volunteers, and it's going to rely on study designers and investigators and doctors to make it happen.
I know from working with the FDA that they would only approve something, particularly with an external advisory board reviewing the data, they would only approve something that really showed clinical significance and was safe for the population to use.
No one should ever doubt that when they approve something, that they've really paid close attention to the quality and the patient safety, because that's really all they care about.
A lot of the communities I work in are underserved Black communities. There's an opportunity to increase acceptance of the vaccine by educating and helping people understand the process, and by showing them that there are Black and brown people in positions of leadership, working in the health sector, who are involved in these processes.
It's critical that we get up to 75-80% people vaccinated so we can get out of the pandemic.
We need people to recognize that we're trying to our utmost ability to keep all people safe.